Okay, last liquid nitrogen video, liquid nitrogen number 3. We already went through all of the demos that we would normally do in class. The last thing we would normally do in class would actually be to give you an opportunity to eat some liquid nitrogen. Or more specifically, some crackers or Cheetos cooled down by liquid nitrogen. So that's the premise behind, like, if you've ever heard of Dragon's Breath ice cream or people eating liquid nitrogen marshmallows, which I mentioned earlier. Basically, we take a little bit of liquid nitrogen, not a whole lot, just a little bit. And then we're going to dip in, we would dip in a cracker. Oops, my cracker crumbled. Or Cheeto. Cheetos are actually a little bit tastier, but I have crackers available. Just for a few seconds, you can actually see the liquid just like you could on the camera. So I'm not getting my fingers in there. I'm putting it in for like 5 to 10 seconds. And then I'd instruct you to gently put it in your mouth, not swallow it right away or anything like that. You're trying to rest it in your mouth and use the water vapor from your lungs and mouth to form a little bit of a fog or a little bit of a vapor. And you can get better at it. We do it a couple of trials. Usually I get to do it all day long, so this is my opportunity to show off a little bit. I've learned a little bit from students. I have to throw this in there. This is not, I always get it from the students. This is not vaping or anything like that, but you can use smoke from your mouth to do some cool things, such as, let's try one out. This is not a promo for vaping. Can't say that enough times. But I have seen people even just do the water vapor competitions because some of this stuff is cool. Let's see if I can do a few of the tricks that I've learned over the years. There we got our ring. You can blow a ring. Keep reloading. I want to go and say liquid nitrogen is healthier. It's still a dangerous substance, but nitrogen is in the air that we breathe. I'm eating crackers, so maybe I'm getting fat. Once again, don't go out and vape just to do this. There's other ways you can kind of just get videos of it and stuff like that. Now let me see if I can get the ground one going here. There's one more I think I can do. I tried to do it with the dry ice for you. And that's just the tornado. So you can use water vapor to do a couple cool tricks here. Nope, I'm failing at that one pretty good. You can twist your fingers and get a little tornado going. Those are some of the things that we'd see you do in class, is just kind of blow dragon's breath. Some of you would try to puff rings, stuff like that. Kind of fun. And then you'd be able to say you can eat liquid nitrogen once in your life. Unfortunately, we're virtual this year. So you get to watch me do it. I get to practice. It's kind of fun. One last time since we're almost out of time. There you go. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Physical Science.